Imagine a factory floor manufacturing safety-critical components for electric vehicles. Every hour, thousands of identical parts move down the line, sliding past at breakneck speed, all watched by a single human inspector. That inspector must spot a crack thinner than a human hair without slowing production. For the first hour, concentration is sharp. But after inspecting several thousand identical parts, fatigue begins. One tiny flaw slips by. In manufacturing, this is a quality escape, and months later, that defective component causes a serious failure. Traditional machine vision systems use rigid, manually programmed rules to try and catch these errors, but they struggle with natural variation. If a piece of wood has a different grain, or a weld looks slightly different depending on the camera angle, these inflexible algorithms often reject perfectly healthy products. This forces manufacturers into a difficult choice. They must either rely on the limited stamina of human eyesight or trust code that cannot distinguish a harmless surface mark from a dangerous defect. Today, modern artificial intelligence offers an alternative. These models learn broader visual patterns from examples rather than following a list of mathematical rules. This creates a more comprehensive perception engine. Through multimodal sensor fusion, the AI stacks standard camera images with X-rays and thermal heat patterns. Analyzing these overlapping layers simultaneously, the system identifies microscopic stress fractures deep inside the component's geometry without ever fatiguing. Global institutions are already tracking the scale of this adoption. In early 2026, the World Economic Forum reported that initiatives from manufacturers like Siemens have successfully scaled AI inspection across factory stations, demonstrating measurable economic value through improved yield. The speed of these systems creates an alluring but dangerous assumption that a factory equipped with AI can run perfectly with no human oversight at all. In practice, artificial intelligence is entirely context-blind. Its performance is fragile, tethered strictly to the stability of its physical environment. Consider how the sun shifts across a factory floor during a shift. This changing ambient light alters the glare on a metallic surface. To the AI, the underlying pixel data has transformed. A dimming light bulb, dust accumulating on the lens, or a vibrating camera mount can break the system's ability to recognize what it's looking at. This is model drift. The system can also fall victim to shortcut learning. If every defective part in the training data was photographed against a specific background, the model might learn to recognize that background rather than the actual defect on the part. This fragility leads to two distinct failures. The system either creates massive waste by rejecting healthy products, or it creates a safety risk by approving dangerous ones. Placing a seemingly infallible machine in front of people introduces a psychological risk called automation bias. When an AI dashboard consistently displays a 99% safety score, human operators often begin to trust the screen more than their own eyes, eventually abandoning their critical oversight. This is the base rate problem. In high-volume environments, algorithms designed to keep production moving can hide rare, highly dangerous defects. If a manager lowers the threshold to improve metrics, the dashboard shows perfect success, while unidentified cracks ship to the real world. Removing human judgment transforms the factory into a darker system, one that optimizes for dashboard metrics instead of real-world product safety. AI provides the most value when used as an investigative tool to prevent defects, rather than a final sorting mechanism at the end of the conveyor. This is the digital thread. Identifying a defect links it backward through production history, tracing to a specific machine, material batch, and cutting tool. Engineers see the tool deteriorating after 8,000 cycles, pausing production before another defective part is created. This level of process control requires extreme data accuracy. Federal research institutions like NIST are actively validating these complex three-dimensional vision systems to ensure their measurements are reliable enough for safety-critical decisions. Intelligent quality control targets the origin of the error, allowing engineers to anticipate and prevent defects before they reach the customer. Beyond total automation lies the gray zone, a collaborative approach where AI flags ambiguity and humans provide the final word. In this scenario, a robotic assembly line halts and a red laser brackets an ambiguous mark on a part. The most trustworthy systems use three outputs: accept, reject, and review. Instead of forcing a guess, the AI explicitly admits when it is uncertain. Human quality professionals then use the AI's data as evidence, applying their own engineering judgment to the anomaly. The factory of the future requires AI for machine-scale perception, but it relies on humans for accountability. True quality is defined by real-world safety, not just what a camera sees.